What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir from Accessy Tunes. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to use sampler track to produce a beat. I'm sure you guys have seen my other videos where I use sampler track for the drums, but in this beat I'm gonna use only sampler track to produce the whole beat. Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of samplings in this video. Alright, are you guys ready? So let's get started. Okay, if you don't have any fancy plugins or VSTs, you can use this technique to produce a beat, right? So I have this nice piano samples here. Let me play for you. Just one piano note, and I'm not really sure what is the note of this piano, but we can figure that out later. So I'm gonna drag this to this sampler control tab here, and it will create a sampler track with the piano note that I just imported. Okay, I think this is C, this is not C. Okay, I think Cubase have already detected this pitch and it set it to C. Okay, and now I can play it like an instrument. Alright, so you also want to enable this audio warp first. If you don't enable this audio warp, when you go higher it will play faster, and when you go lower it will play slower, so we don't want that. So I have enabled the audio warp, and you can set it to music or solo, it depends on your taste. I think I like it with the music mode. Alright, let's play some melody here. Sounds good to me, but I think I want to add some kind of effects here. So let's go to mix console, press shift, right click, and go to add effects channel to selected channels, and go to okay, yeah, reverb is fine. Let me rename this. Okay, I'm gonna pull this up, pre-delay, and increase the tail a little bit, and low cut. Right, now let's hear how it sounds. Sounds really good. And I'm also gonna reduce the volume of this sampler track because it's too loud. No, I don't know what to play. Okay, I don't want to play with the keyboard. I think I'll just program it. Move this down to E flat. Cool. And I want to bring this down to D. Okay. Okay, copy that. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. So okay, so that's the hook for this beat. I'm gonna add some effect here. So let's go with halftime. I'm gonna adjust the frequency here. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's go and find some nice kick. Okay. That's going to be the first two bars. I'm going to change the end of this pattern here. Okay, let's add snare. Okay, I'm gonna add a percussion. Okay, I like this hi-hat. Okay, so I'm gonna program a very simple pattern again. Less is more. Okay, let's find some other instrument. Okay, I want to go for a PLUCK sound. Create sampler track. The song is in G. Okay, I'm gonna enable audio warp. Okay, I want to adjust the sample end here, so I'm just gonna drag this until here. Cool. Let's try that. I'm gonna change this to D. Okay, I'm gonna cut the low. Okay, I'm gonna add halftime here as well. Okay, roll off the low and adjust the mix. Okay, I'm gonna go to the reverb channel. I'm gonna roll off the low because I don't want it to muddy the track. Okay, let's find some other sound. Okay, I'm gonna set this to loop until there. Okay, I want to reverse this. I like it. Sounds good to me. Okay, now let's find a bass sound. Okay, enable audio warp. Yep, music mode, and change this to here. I'm gonna bring this down. Okay, let's find some vocals and we play with that. Okay, let's use this vocal. Okay, let's add some reverb here and some delays. I like it. Let's go here and select monophonic and glide a little bit. I'm gonna roll off this a little bit and high pass. So that's it guys, it's a very simple beat using only sampler track. You can manipulate the audio the way you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this beat, and please smash that like button and turn on notification as well, and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.